Keep on going. Don't stop now. Oh, yeah. Everyone, my name is Luke. This is the one, the only, the beautiful Susie. Welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review. Susie, what do you have to say to our excellent viewers?
Hello, guys and gals. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Happy New Year. All that fun stuff. Today, Luke and I are out on this cold, snowy day.
Cold and snowy.
My mouth wants to freeze.
Yes.
But we are trying to do some viewer mail because you guys are so awesome. Everyone sends in such awesome stuff.
Every single letter is special. Every
Yes.
package. Thank you all so much. We
Yeah.
really do appreciate it. Big time.
We get the best emails, the best messages, the best stuff. Everyone, we just love you guys.
Oh yeah, we really do. So we have 3 packages to open up today before Susie freezes. So the first package comes from my good buddy, Mike. It's nice and soft. I'm pretty sure it's a shirt.
Yeah.
Why is that, Susie?
I heard about this, I think. A message or email or something.
Right.
Mike was so tired of seeing you wear your ripped Old Navy shirt. Yeah, here, let me read this to you guys.
Please do.
Luke, I have been watching your videos from pretty early on your channel and look forward every week to see what you guys are up to.
Thank you so much, buddy.
I won a flashlight from you a little over a year ago.
Good.
Maybe 2 years. And I've been looking for a way to give back. Well, that's nice, Mike.
Yeah.
Recently, I've noticed that your favorite shirt is the black Old Navy shirt that has had a rip in it on the front. I've commented on you wearing it in the videos
Yes.
and joked about that you need a new shirt. So he was ordering him a new merino shirt to try for hiking and decided to pick you one up in your favorite color.
Wow.
Black.
Mike, you are so awesome. Thank you so much, buddy. How long have I had that shirt?
Years.
Years and years. I still love it to this day.
Yeah, he said, let him know how you like it. Hope it fits. Thanks again for entertaining and informing us, and keep up the good work.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, this is an icebreaker shirt, size medium, perfect. This is the Men's Tech Light SS Crew Black.
ooh.
Yeah. Mike, thank you so much, buddy. I appreciate it more than anything. I hope you are enjoying the flashlight as well. Congratulations. I guess I could, but I'm not going
It's
to.
too cold.
Moving on to the second package. This one comes from Amazon as well.
Amazon. All right, I think we can just rip it open.
I have no idea what's in there.
All right, I'm gonna let you dig it out.
Okay, we have 2. Okay.
What is it?
It says real coffee for the outdoors, and we have 2 packages of this.
Ooh.
Nature's 100% Colombian coffee kettle. Ooh.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that is cool. So you probably pour the water into the bag
To
and
make
then dump it out, I'm assuming, without reading anything.
Yeah, there's no note on here, so
Well,
I'm not sure who sent it, but thank you so much.
yeah, to the stranger that sent this, thank you so very much. Susie and I love coffee, and we've even considered making a special batch of coffee for our viewers, like the Strength and Honor blend, maybe.
Yeah, what do you guys think about that? Leave a comment if you have any feedback about that. Do you want some special TOGR coffee?
Yeah. To the stranger and to Amazon, thank you so much for the coffee.
Yeah, this is so unique.
Yeah.
Cool. That'd be nice. We can do like a big batch at one time.
Right.
Nice. Awesome.
All right, it is time for the last package of the day. And this one comes from Kevin. Kevin, I want to go ahead and say thank you so much, buddy.
Ooh, what you got?
I'm not sure.
Oh, what
Is that a bowling pin or a club? So, sometime back, Kevin and I were talking about a special type of axe handle that he was working on. So,
Well,
he sent me one and some extra goodies. I'll let you take that.
that's cool.
So what we have here is an Outdoor Gear Review Club self-defense weapon.
Sweet.
That is awesome.
That's a good self-defense weapon.
It is. Put that behind the seat in your truck,
Yeah.
just in case. And it says TOGR. That's really nice.
I'll just carry that in my purse.
Are you good? Her purse is big enough too.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Might make it heavy though.
It's already heavy. Who cares? Also, we have some Folgers coffee.
Your favorite.
Oh yes, this stuff will put hair in places you don't want it, but it tastes good. That's the most important part. Wow, wow, this is awesome.
That's a very nice handle.
It is so interesting, everyone.
Oh,
check that
check
out.
that out.
Yeah, and of course, the outdoor gear review. That is really, really nice.
Custom.
Yeah, brother, you did a fantastic job. You really did. The leather work is great. The finish on the handle here is excellent. Very, very cool. Wow.
Wow.
We don't deserve
That is so cool.
stuff like this. I am so excited to get this out and to use it.
Yeah, definitely.
Heck yeah. Wow. Wow. Christmas came late. Speaking of which, everyone, we hope that you all had a fantastic Christmas. Susie, how was your Christmas?
It was excellent. So good.
Best part.
The best part was just having a quiet, lazy day.
Right.
Yeah.
Worst part. Besides me, time went on. I did have a couple of drinks and had a good old time.
What do you think the worst part is? I think maybe like.
Saying goodbye, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, our daughter came down. She spent a week with us, and you know that's always bittersweet. Like you're proud of her, and you're excited to see like all the cool things that she's doing, but yet she has to leave. It's been what, 5 months since we've seen her.
Yes, 5 or 6 months for
Yeah.
sure. Yeah.
Yep. So.
Yep. Saying bye, and then the mess for me really isn't enjoyable.
If Susie sees like a speck of dirt, like she goes and gets it. So imagine people coming in and out of the house.
In and
things-
out,
yeah.
and then like when you have guests.
people
and-
camping out here and there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, anyway, it's all good. But yeah, Christmas keeps on coming.
Yeah. Everyone, thank you all so very much for your generosity, your kindness. Hope you all have a fantastic 2020.
2020.
2020.
Wow.
Wow,
Crazy.
that is crazy.
Yeah.
Now, before we end this episode, we have to do a small merch plug. Ooh, check this out.
Ooh.
Yeah, right here. We have zipper pulls, we have patches, we have some water bottles coming, and more. So if you
And stickers.
and stickers too.
Yep.
Yep. So if you want to support the Outdoor Gear Review, because we are agenda free, we do not try to sell products, we don't accept payments from companies for purchase reviews and whatnot. We just don't do any of that stuff. 100% agenda free. We make all of our money through ad revenue on YouTube, through Patreon donators, and from small donations for buying patches and zipper pulls and whatnot.
Right. We had some merch printed up for you guys because you constantly ask, and we still get messages and emails saying, hey, how about a zipper pull? So I don't think most of you guys realize we already have the zipper pulls and patches, stickers.
That's my fault.
Yeah.
I hate selling stuff.
I know we don't
I
really
don't-
want to push it, but
I don't even want to mention it, but there's so many asking for it.
yeah, it's there on the website if you guys want it. Help yourself.
Yeah. Everybody, thank you so much. Strength and honor. See ya.
Bye.